Hey there, welcome to Scripting 3, where you can learn all about Google Apps Script in short tutorials that are 3 minutes or less or thereabouts. That's what we're aiming for. And today we're going to be talking about adding a side menu into a Google presentation or a Google slide as they're called. So I'm on this page here, the reference docs, and I'm actually looking at the reference here for the custom sidebars, and in this case it's looking that shows a picture of Google Doc, but actually we're going to be doing this for slides. So and I'll show you how just now. So if you come into code.js and copy this, and then go over to my new presentation here or Google slide, and then click on Tools and Script Editor. Open up a new script and paste in the side menu code here, and then it needs a little bit of a change, and the change should be that this should be Slides app, not Spreadsheet app, and the same down here, this should be Slides, not Spreadsheet. And then what this does is it will create a menu at the top menu bar called custom menu, and then below that there will be an item called show sidebar, which you can click, and when you click it, it will call this function here show sidebar. And then it says that add to the UI, and then when the function is called here, then a variable called HTML is created, and that contains this create HTML output from file method, and then it calls on this page file here, which doesn't exist at the moment. We'll talk about that in a minute, and then it goes down to set the title. You can set the title there whatever you want, and it will set the width to about 300, and then this instruction here is to tell it to actually produce the sidebar. So now we're going to produce that page file that is listed in there. So we click on page, and then we have our HTML template, and then back to the docs, and we'll pick up this template here and add it into our HTML like so, and then this will produce a hello world and a button, and then when the button is clicked, it's actually going to close the sidebar. So I then go ahead and save all of this, go back to Code.js, and here go to on open, and you have to run this one time in order to set all the permissions and make sure all the permissions are set up. So click on play or run, and then you'll get this little bit of complicated thing here. You'll get this app isn't verified method or display. I'll talk about that later, but anyway, to move forward, click on advanced, go down, go to that one there, and then type on continue, click on next, and then click on allow, and that's it. So the menu will now show up here. You can see custom menu, and then when I reload this slide, after a few seconds, custom menu there comes up again. I click on show sidebar, and there it is. There's your sidebar there with the button and the close. All right, I hope this was helpful. Please subscribe and watch out for our next set of tutorials.